Hello everyone, this is Maryam from Crochet Treble, and today we want to learn how to crochet a perfect circle and how to remove edges. So let's get started. Why do we need to know how to crochet a circle? For example, when you want to crochet a pencil case or crocheting dolls. This doll is almost all made by circle crochet. And also this one, eyes, head, hands, body and legs. To get started, we need to make a magic ring or magic circle. Look at my hands. Take the yarn in your hands and wrap it like a cross around your fingers. Insert your hook from the right side and grab the left yarn and twist it. Now, turn your hand and grab the left strand. Make a chain. Here we go. This is our magic ring, and by pulling this strand, you can make it tight and close it. So, at first I will tell you the original way to make a circle, and then the other way to help you remove the edges. Make 6 single crochets inside the ring. And then pull the yarn to close the ring. Now we have 2 ways to continue. First of all is to make a slip stitch. We insert our hook into the first stitch that we made. If you can open it, you can use a needle. Insert your hook into the first stitch that you made. Then yarn over and pull it through both loops. Now you have a slip stitch. But it's better to make your circle without making slip stitches. So I unwork my stitch, my last stitch, slip stitch, and put a marker or a piece of yarn at the end of my row or at the beginning of the next row. We have 6 single crochets in first round, so every round we add 6 stitches to our stitches. For example, next row will be 12, next will be 18, and so on. For round 2, make 2 single crochets in each stitch. So it means that we have increases in each stitch. At the end of the row, we should have 12 stitches. At the end of the row, grab your marker yarn or safety pin or whatever you have at the end of the row. For the next round, which is round 3, make 1 single crochet in the first stitch and 2 single crochets in the next. So repeat, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. At the end of round 3, we have 18 stitches, and put your marker yarn to the end of your work. For round 4, as I've mentioned, instead of making 2 separate single crochets in first 2 stitches, we divide 2 single stitches in 2 and it equals 1. So we should make 1 single crochet in first and 2 in next. And for the rest of the row, we work our stitches the regular way. 2 separate, 2 in next, 2 separate, 2 in next. And this rule applies to every even row after round 3. 4, 6, 8, and so on. And for odd rounds like 3, 5, 7, and so on, work your stitches the regular way. At the end of the row, you should have a slip stitch, but if you do it, you will have a little stair at the end of the row. It will be a little upper from the whole work. So I make a slip stitch in first stitch for you to see how it will look like. To solve this problem, unwork your slip stitch, cut your yarn and pull your yarn out of your work. And we don't need this marker, so I take it out. And I use a yarn needle to finish my work. We should make our slip stitch in the first stitch. So I insert my needle from the back part of the first stitch and pull it out, and insert my needle again to the back loop of the last stitch I made. This way you'll make your last stitch look like other stitches. And then secure your thread and your work from the back of your work. Just come and go and make it so tight and secure. And hide the thread and cut the rest. And also hide the thread came out of your magic ring, and secure it and cut the rest of the yarn. And voila! Here's our perfect circle. And if you like this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in next videos. Bye!